Hi everyone, today I'll be talking about Gradio's new Vibe mode, which is a great way to build Gradio apps without having to write the code yourself. So how does it work? So first of all, this is great if you want to build a quick and dirty app, not worry too much about looking up the syntax or documentation, just want to let AI kind of write it for you. So you can use a typical code editor like Cursor or even Claude or directly, but the problem is sometimes they're not updated with the latest Gradio syntax. So Gradio's Vibe mode basically lets you write, lets AI write the code for you, but also has all up-to-date knowledge of Gradio's documentation. So let's see how it works. So first of all, upgrade to the latest version of Gradio, and then in your terminal, just go ahead and write Gradio dash dash vibe. Okay, and that's it. And so what you'll see is you'll be logged into Hugging Face. You need to be logged into Hugging Face. So I'm already logged in, and this is because it uses Hugging Face's inference providers to serve the LLM for you. Now this is running on a local URL. Great, let's go ahead and open it up. So what you'll see is here we have a blank page, and here we have this chat window on the right. And here now you can start writing with it. You can say whatever you want. So hey, I want to build a text to image generation app. Just type in what you want. It understands what you want to build. It's working on it. And once it generates the results, what you'll see is a few things here. One is the code for this app has been generated here. So great, you can see the code. You can of course see the app itself here. It created a text box, it put a placeholder. It did all of this for you. Now by default, usually if I type in a sunny beach, for example, it'll usually generate just a placeholder image here. We'll see now what to do if you want to actually change that. So let's say I want to hook this up to a real app. So let's find like for example, something like Quinn Image. So Quinn Image, it's a great model. I'm going to use this. So I can see the code snippet for it. Perfect. Let's go ahead and copy this over, and I can say something like use Quinn Image. Okay, and it'll understand what to do. So I'm just going to change one thing here, which is something that I've noticed works better here. I'll just send this. I'll just say use this code snippet. And now what it'll do is it'll apply this to my function here. Now if I look at my code, now it's using the Hugging Face inference client. It's doing all of this work. Now let's try this again. A sunny beach at sunset. And now you can see it's actually passing it to a real function. Again, in this case, in our end, in our case, it's like the Quen image code in the back. And hopefully we'll see it. Oh, perfect. Oh, great. We'll see an image that's been generated. Now I have a simplistic Gradio app. I can go back and open this file as well, obviously, and I keep on editing it. I can edit it here. Let's say I want to change something here. I want to change the placeholder. I can easily do that here. Sometimes it's easier to edit the code. Sometimes it's easier to edit with natural language. So you have both possibilities here. And that's pretty much it. I mean, you can also do things like undo. So if I want to go back to the previous state of the Gradio app, I can do that as well, which can be useful. I have a chat history, but yeah, pretty much it's like what you expect. Is a new way to build Gradio apps. You can look at the code, you can look at the kind of chat history and just describe what you want. So happy building.